Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. Today's DIYs are all traditional Christmas DIYs. So let's move on to DIY number 1. For this DIY, I'm going to create something like this, a warm wishes sign. So I'm just taking one of this warm wishes sign from Dollar Tree and some of this ribbon and some Christmas greenery, some ornaments and some poinsettia, and I'm going to decorate all these in one corner and create this beautiful sign. So let's start. I'm taking a piece of this shiny berries and this beautiful shiny poinsettia, and I'm just sticking these two together with a bit of a hot glue, and I'm also going to stick it in one corner. Before that, I want to create a bow, and this is the shiny lace from Dollar Tree. I'm creating two curls like that, and I'm making a bow, and I'm also going to give like some wings to it with the same ribbon. You're going to see in a minute, and I'm just measuring how much length I want to have it. So I just don't want to cover up all the beautiful decoration which already has some shine and some berries, so I just don't want to disturb that. And I stuck a small piece to create the wings of the bow, and I stuck it in one corner, and I inserted one of this chenille through two of the ornaments which matches the same color of the design, the red and golden, and I'm sticking this poinsettia in one corner and also Christmas greenery with some berries in other corner, and one of this pine cone and some greenery to finish the look. And I thought that this would look nice, and I just stopped it there. So yeah, this is the final result and I'm loving it. So yeah, what do you think? I hope you like it. Please let me know your comments in the comment section. This video would be part of 4th Friday Open Challenge. The theme is Christmas, and this is hosted by Sarah over Jujube DIY and Lisa from Our Grey House. And I'm going to leave the links of these two creative ladies in my description box, as well as the huge playlist. So please be sure to watch everyone and give lots of love. So let's move on to DIY number 2. For this DIY, I'm going to take one of this wooden truck and I painted red off the screen, and I took two of those golden vase filler and I stuck to the tires to give like more decoration, and I took the same golden ribbon and I'm just sticking all around the truck just to give like more decoration to it. Now I took some of this Christmas greenery and I'm just sticking to the back of the truck to give like a nice fuller look to it, and I'm just going to leave one corner just up like that. And I took this tiny presents from Dollar Tree and I'm just stuffing one on top of each other. This would be like truck with a lot of gifts Christmas truck. So I also took some of this shiny ribbon and created a tiny bow, and I'm attaching to one corner of the truck to finish the look. And I also later gave like a nice wreath in front of the truck with a small golden bead in the center to finish the look. This is one of the cute traditional looking Christmas gift truck. So yeah, this is one of it, and I'm very happy with this end result. I hope you would like it as well. So yeah, please let me know your comments. On to DIY number 3. For this DIY, I'm going to create this beautiful vase, and off the screen I just stuck one of this red vase from Dollar Tree, and I stuck this green diamond wrap to the base and the top of the vase, and I also stuck some golden gems on the top. Now I'm going to use all these ribbons and ornaments and all this beautiful Christmas florals and greenery. So to start with, I'm just filling all those bright ornaments, red and golden, in the vase. It will actually give like a nice pop of a color there, and I spread out this beautiful red poinsettia and also the shiny one and this golden berry, and I just decorated it all together into the vase. And now I'm creating the bow. I just took like a silver and the golden ribbon, and I created like 2 fluffy bows. Using one of the silver ribbon, I just covered the center. Now our bow is ready. Now I'm going to take a tad bit of a hot glue, and I'm going to stick to the base of the flower vase just like that. And this is how it looks after everything is decorated. Isn't that pretty? You got this shiny silver, gold, red, green. It's a traditional Christmas flower vase. So I'm just happy with the final result with the beautiful decoration. So yeah, this is another decoration DIY today. I hope you like it. I'm in absolute love with this. So yeah, please let me know your thoughts on this as well. So let's move on to DIY number 4. This is actually a quick hack, and this is the candle decor that we are going to make. And this is one of the cute candle holder I got from Dollar Tree long back, and I'm yet to use that. So I just took one of this red candle, also is from Dollar Tree. It comes in a pair. I just took one of it from there, and I'm taking the same shiny golden ribbon, and I'm just sticking all around this candle holder, and I took like 2 rounds, and this is how it looks after it's decorated. And I took like 2 pieces of a golden and a green ribbon, and I stuck one on top of each other, and I folded to create a tiny bow, and I just stuck it in the center, and I added the candle, but also added one of this vase filler, the golden one in the center, to finish the look. And these are the 2 Christmas decor that are complementing each other, and this is a simple and easy decoration, and it's also traditional Christmas that I'm actually planning to do with this theme. So yeah, this is another DIY I'm very happy with. So you have to let me know your thoughts as well. So now I'm also going to decorate all of these DIYs and some of the other decor items to show the final reveal. So yeah, please stand by. So this is the final reveal, you guys. This is all from Dollar Tree, and some of them are DIYs that we saw today, and others are from the decoration items from Dollar Tree. And as you've seen, this Merry Christmas tapestry, and also that tray I created long back using red charger plate from Dollar Tree with red gems and glass beads. And we are placing this beautiful flower vase on top of it, and such a festive decoration. I also poured some of the red and golden ornaments to complement it. And this is our warm wishes sign in one corner with all the red and golden decoration, and this is also another great addition to it. And also added some of those golden Christmas tree, and this is also another Christmas tree. And this is our red truck with lots of gifts in it, and you can also see Santa. I think Santa is like more like traditional exterior decor, I would say, and is also holding the gifts near his truck. And also this red and golden ornaments on one of this beautiful candle holder, green and golden. And I just spread some of the gifts and ornaments. This is the beautiful red bird near all the Christmas decor, and this is our candle decor with beautiful ribbon. And this red candle is just complementing the whole decor, and this is the beautiful Christmas decorated home with the reindeer in one corner. So this is all like traditional, vintage look that I want to go with today. I hope you enjoyed watching and working along with me, and if you like something like this and you wish to join the family, I'd be more than happy if you click on the subscribe button and join the family. And please do not forget to hit on the bell icon to get notified when I upload videos like this. Until next time, if you would like to see more of my videos, I'm just going to tag some in the right corner of the screen. And like I always say, thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.